If you've seen people building websites with AI and thought, how do I even get started? This video is for you. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to install Cursor AI on your computer, completely free, and have it writing code for you before this video ends. Let's do it. Cursor is a code editor, just like Notepad, but built for writing websites and apps. What makes it special is the AI built right inside it. You type what you want in plain English, like make me a navigation bar, and it writes the code for you instantly. It's free to start. No credit card, no complicated setup. Here's how to get it. Go to cursor.com. I'll put the link in the description so you don't have to type it. You'll land on this page. Click the big download button in the middle. It detects your operating system automatically, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and downloads the right version. The file is about 150 megabytes, so it takes just a minute depending on your internet. Once it's downloaded, open it. Double-click the installer file to open it. On Windows, click Yes if it asks for permission. The installation takes about 30 seconds. Just wait for it to finish. And just like that, Cursor opens on its own. You're installed. The first time it opens, Cursor walks you through a quick setup. First, create a free account. Click Sign Up, enter your email, and verify it. This takes 60 seconds and unlocks the AI features. To start coding, create a new folder. Inside this folder, create an HTML file. That's it, you're inside Cursor, setup complete. Let's make sure the AI is working. Just press Ctrl, Shift L, keys from keyboard. This is the AI chat, type this. Write a simple HTML page that says, "Hello world" in big bold text. Hit enter, and the AI writes the code instantly. Click Apply, and the code goes straight into your file. That's your AI working. You're set up, Cursor is installed, your account is ready, and the AI is working. Next, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P and search color theme to pick a theme, light or dark. Pick whichever you like. I'll go dark. The next step, I'll show you how to use Cursor to build a complete website from scratch in under 10 minutes. That video is right up here.